So if you're anything like me, you start your PhD with all these great expectations of all the cool research you're going to do and the impact in the world you're going to deliver and all the great minds you're going to work with. And the first months is still like a honeymoon, but as long as time passes by and you start reaching halfway your PhD and hit a PhD dip where you lose all faith and motivation in what you're doing, and it's very easy to derail and decide to quit. And as a matter of fact, I almost quit my PhD for the same reasons. And fortunately, I look for help of a PhD coach and work on my goals and my dreams, and I changed course and I managed to graduate. So if you're in similar situation, right, like you don't just want to walk away, you want to know you tried everything that was possible. And I think this program is that resource you can use to see if you can still continue your PhD and what you need to graduate.
So maybe you're one of those PhD candidates who has been working in their PhD for quite some time, let's say about 3 years. And you know that you're way over half of the time that you have. And you're worried because you don't have the results that you were hoping to get. You've had many experiments that have failed. And you want to move forward and you want to graduate, but you just don't see how. And you start to doubt yourself. And maybe you lose your confidence. Maybe you lose the motivation for your project altogether. And instead of thinking about graduating, you're thinking about quitting because you just don't know how to move forward anymore. And that's a shame because, a lot of times issues can be resolved, and maybe we can offer you something that you haven't tried yet.
I'm Julio Peruselli, the founder of Next Scientist. After many years helping PhD students, I've seen common patterns on their struggles, and that's why we decided to put together this course with Carmen. We are offering the Unstuck Your PhD course in 3 flavors. First, we have the self-paced do-it-yourself course, where you're going to find all the theory and all the exercises to unstuck your PhD. Next, we have the premium course, where on top of all that, you get access to a private community of PhD students that will support you in your journey. And next to that, we also have regular group calls with Carmen and me. That's for the premium package. Then we also have the one-on-one package, where on top of the self-paced course, exercises, community, private community group and group calls, you're also going to get several one-on-one coaching calls with Carmen.
I'm Carmen Ritek. I'm a certified PhD coach. I've coached many PhD candidates through the struggles of their PhD, and I've had first-hand experience of what it's like to finish a PhD and how hard it can be. So in this course, I'm offering all the knowledge that I have about coaching PhD candidates. I've condensed it into one course of 4 modules. It's like very quick coaching program. And we offer things like exercises to get to know yourself better with an extensive personality test. I've also selected the best exercises to overcome negative emotions and to determine your goals and your dreams so you can regain the motivation for your PhD project. And once you've done all those exercises, you will be ready to create your own personalized action plan, which is a step-by-step approach for you to get your PhD unstuck. This is a self-paced program where you will receive 1 module every week to work on. And after 4 weeks, you will have gone from being stuck to being unstoppable.
We've built this Unstuck Your PhD program for one big reason, and that is too many talented PhD students quit halfway their PhD, or after many years, they don't get to graduate.
So if you are a PhD candidate who's willing to put in the effort to get your PhD moving again, but you've just lost your motivation, and you don't see how to get started at this moment, then this is the course for you. Welcome to Unstuck Your PhD.